Hi all, this is just a small video to show you how you can load the demo database that we have provided inside our repo to your Horilla server. So if you have watched our previous video, we have shown you how to install Horilla into your Mac or Ubuntu system. So this is a directory in which I have cloned my repository. So inside the repository, if you open it, you will find the different apps that you have added into our module. And inside here, you can find a database named as testdb_horilla.sqlite3. So let's say if you want to load this database into the main server, you just need to go to the directory Horilla, and inside that you will be find a file called settings.py. So just open it. Once that file is open, just come down, and inside here you can see the databases option here. So inside this, you just find default, engine and name. So you just need to add the name section here with the database file name. So just come back here. If you check here, that the database name is testdb_horilla.sqlite3. So you just change the name as here as testdb_horilla.sqlite3. That's all. Now you just save the file and just close it. Close. And just open up a terminal. And just come to the clone directory here. So just documents guide and Horilla. So this is the directory where my project is set up. So just typing the command python 3 manage.py run server. So the server is set up now right now. Just copy the link, and now you can see that I'm come to the database where there are demo data loaded. If you click on employee, you can see that random employees are generated here. So you'll get a brief idea on how to run the Horilla app with this demo data here. So I hope you have understood the video. Thank you.